to the dealer near you to try out the Sportivo, XUV, XDI, XT, and XL variants.
Nina, please, huwag mo muna akong sasagutin. Ako rin.
Thanks, Brandon. And there you go, that traffic report brought to you by Patron XDS Complete Combustion System. Get a power boost with 95 octane Patron XDS fuel. Your drive.
Watch from Traffic.com and Cinnamon Magic 89.9. Music is right. Magic 89.9.
Plate number BBY14.
And your shoe should be in whatever way I feel that the management same way. I hope this goes. Majority of listeners of Magic 89.9 are educated individuals who can stomach crappy offensive jokes and take sensible ones. We laugh at it, but then we go on with our lives knowing it's right and wrong. To Flick, Sam, and Tony, thank you. We have no idea how much you made me feel closer to home. God bless Kyle. Thank you so much. His name? Dominique. I think it's a girl. Or guy. We're going to play a song when we get back. Let's move on to that website that was created by one of the supporters of Boys Night Out, SaveSam.tk. If you haven't logged onto the site, do that right now. Place your petitions there.